Shakas, hello Crafty friends, it's Maka from Maka's Home. I'm here today with day number 19 of the 24 Days of Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. Hope you guys are having a great day. Day 19. So Christmas is around the corner. Hope you guys are ready. Look at this packaging. So beautiful. She's got another one of those layered flowers that I love. She's also gifted me some of them too, but because they were smashed in the in shipping, and just fluffing it up a little because they are dimensional. I love them. Thank you so much. Day 19. Look at the postcards she's added to this. I can reuse this packaging. Yes, it's an envelope. Thank you so much. It has a like glitter. Oh yeah, there's glitter in the candy canes. I don't know if the light is picking up any shimmer of it at all. But let's check it out. Day 19. Ooh, another paper pack. And this one is a Halloween paper pack. Monster Movie. Yes. So I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays next to Christmas. Well, Christmas and Halloween. That's my holidays. Oh, I love this. So I'll be able to use this for next year. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and it's double-sided paper. Love it. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Till my next video. Shakas.